Hi there, today we're going to be showing you how to connect your Android device to a GMC. First off, we're going to want to go to Android Auto on the screen, hit pair phone, then on your phone you're going to want to go to your settings, go down to connections, Bluetooth, scroll down, hit where it says GMC, make sure it matches for the same code on the screen. You'll want to make sure that that number matches, and then hit pair on both screens. Hit allow to sync contacts. Hit continue, and then enable, and then allow messages. Every now and then you may have another notification come up. You just want to hit continue. And just like that, you're connected with the Android Auto to where you can use the hands-free talk to text button that's located on your steering wheel to make phone calls, send text messages, get directions through the Google Maps navigation, and listen to music. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Visit us in Greensburg on Route 30, or you can visit us online at smellegmc.com.